guess I'll just call him. Now, if you'll excuse me.
Not so fast, fancy pants. Your wallet and that snazzy briefcase you're carrying. Hand them over.
Alright, what is good, everybody on YouTube? So you already know from the title and the thumbnail what we doing today. Picking up these Bred Reimagined Jordan 4s, and I am very, very excited. Came out in 2019, didn't get a pair back then, but look, I take what I can get, and we getting these today. Shout out JD Sports, always coming in clutch because I did not hit on sneakers today. But it is what it is. That's alright. We better go pick up these shoes, eat some lunch, and then we gonna take y'all along with us, come back to the house, talk about them, and then let y'all enjoy y'all weekend, alright? So let's go ahead and head to the store right now. Let's go. But yeah, so I don't know if I showed the excitement earlier, but hey, when I was on JD's app and they gave me exclusive access, if you know, you know. Like, getting through the app on the days where they give exclusive access is not fun whatsoever.
It's not for the week either.
It's not for the week, but we got through. We was able to get our size. Personally, I only got one pair. That's fine with me. You know what I'm saying? But hey, look, I'm gonna call it right now. This is gonna be the sneaker of the year. The only shoe, in my opinion, that I feel like would be able to possibly surpass it is the Black Cat 3s, but it's not an OG colorway, so I'm not gonna say that it's up there with them, but it's sneaker of the year. Unless y'all can tell me otherwise, y'all let me know in the comment section what y'all think. But yeah, we gonna head there. I think we're gonna get something to eat first. It's almost noon, it's lunchtime, we about to go eat. Then we're gonna pick up the shoes, talk about them, let y'all go about y'all day. So yeah, let's go ahead and get there. Oh yeah, yes sir, time to pick up. But you know we gotta put the camera away. They don't like when you record at malls. Got him. All right, so we went ahead and picked that pair up. It was a major success. The line wasn't too crazy once we got there, and they let us use $20 off coupon. I had a birthday one, but I figured it's only $10. I'm gonna save it for something else, so I might get like a little fanny pack or something. Yeah, spin the block. But yeah, we about to get gas, make another stop, and then we're gonna check them out. I'm excited because I know that the grade school pair has really good quality on them. It's been the first time in a while, so I'm just excited to see how the men's pair look. So yeah, let's get it, y'all. All right, everybody, so you already see the bag. I'm not gonna waste too much of y'all time. Let's go ahead, open it right up. We doing email only receipts. Yes, Lord, 11 and a half. Hey, I appreciate JD Sports this time around. My box is in pretty fair shape this time around, so I do appreciate that. Little dent, but who said I'm selling these? Like, nobody. So yeah, that's the box. So the box kind of had like a reverse theme. So normally the cement's on the bottom part of the box. They switched it around, put it on the top, and then yeah, that's Reimagined for you. So I take the top off. Hey, look, hold on. We gotta take it out. Box is done. We gonna toss that to the side. Hey, if you didn't get them today, run. Look, find a way. Because never owned Bred 4s before. Like I said, the most recent one was the 2019s, and they also had the Nike Air on the back. As you may or may not know, the Bred 4s originally had an upper of suede, which 9 times out of 10, if you're watching this, you already knew that already. But the uppers had all suede, so this time around, they did a treatment of leather up top, which I feel like is personally gonna be better in the long run, especially whenever you want to like clean your sneakers off. So like in an instance, if you wanted to wear these in the rain, you could. With suede, You have to spray like some crepe spray or something like that on your shoes to keep them from being messed up. This, you don't really have to worry about that. Same outer sole as the original Bred 4s. Back tab, obviously the same. It has the Nike Air on there. Nice black Nike Air hang tab. The other one was red. Everything else about the shoe is the same. The inner lining is gray. The only thing that I have heard is that these are shaped kind of like the SB Jordan 4s that came out 10, 11 months ago, maybe. They're shaped like that shoe. And that one had a little bit more padding and cushioning on like the tongue and the ankle. So that's something to also keep in mind too. Bred 4s, I said Bred 4s. 4s in general have always ran kind of small to me. So if you want, I would definitely go a half size up. But if you want to get true to size, hey, look, I don't have to worry about too many creases when I go true to size. But if you want it a little bit more comfortable, you don't want it squeezing your toes, go a half size up. But the release today was actually kind of insane. Like I knew I had these. Like I tried on sneakers, you know, of course, couldn't get anything. Ended up trying on JD Sports, got in instantly, but we was only able to get Naveen's pair with a $20 off coupon, and then they canceled it. So now we have an extra $20 off. Would have been nice to have known that ahead of time, but it is what it is. Speaking of the grade school pairs, they live up to expectations in my opinion. Like this is the grade school pair versus the men's. It's almost identical. You know when you get a hang tag on a grade school sneaker, they put like good quality into it. On both pairs, the leather is very extremely soft. Like and buttery. I don't even know if you can even see that on there. Soft to the touch. Like if you see these in person, like even if you can't get a men's pair and you wear a men's pair, if you pick up a grade school pair, like a 7, 6 or something like that, it's gonna have the same type of quality. You can kind of get a vision of how the men's pairs look from that there. Now, possible restocks could happen. You may see another sneakers restock here in a few months. Who knows? When they release the Bred 4s, there is a lot of pairs. So gotta keep your notifications on, follow specific Twitter pages. I know I've talked about Soul Links in the past, but there's a bunch of other ones if y'all wanna get notified that way and be ready for those restocks. Now, when I wanna talk about this, compared to the original version, in my opinion, like this is perfectly fine. Have you ever heard about when they say Little Caesar's pizza is really good without having somebody in your ear telling you it's nasty? It's kind of like when it like this, like ain't nothing wrong with this. Like this is perfectly fine. Like granted, like yes, if you have the suede version and the leather version side by side, of course you're gonna go with the suede version. Like, but you want to pay $500-600 for the suede version? Don't think so. Resale for these $300 right now, give or take. They might drop a little bit, maybe $270, $280 at the lowest. I feel like, you know, you can make your pick. But let's talk about the Reimagined series as a whole. So this is a Jordan 4 Reimagined. Reimagined means you take what everybody loved about the original, put a little twist on it, and then release it. And then we have this, a fully leather upper Bred 4. Now, I have some honorable mentions here of some of the Reimagined series. I don't know if I have them all. Y'all let me know in the comment section. But, you know, we have, of course, you have the Bred 4s here, Bred Reimagined 4s. We also have the Royal Reimagined Jordan 1s. These released almost a year ago. The White Cement 3 Reimagineds. And then you also have a lot of people's grails, the Lost and Found Jordan 1s. Now, I don't know about which one is the best that has came out so far. Y'all let me know in the comment section. Look, the Reimagined series right here. I only have 4 of them, but y'all let me know in the comment section which I feel is the best out of them. How y'all feel about the Reimagined series so far? Do you feel like they're kind of butchering some of the colorways? In my opinion, I feel like they've executed all of these pretty well. Like Reimagined Cement 3s, it was just like a yellow midsole. With the Lost and Founds, there were issues of moldy pairs, but for those who got good, decent pairs, the only thing you had was some cracked leather, like you had found it in a shoebox from the original release that came out. Instead of having a leather Royal Jordan 1, you get a suede Jordan 1 upper. So, can we talk about the possibility of this sneaker being sneaker of the year? Now I'm just gonna list off a few things, show a few leaked photos, images of what we are expected to get released. Of course, Nike hasn't said anything, but you know, sneaker blogs have been going crazy. So I have a list here I'm gonna go over. So we have trophy room Jordan 1 lows. You have military blue 4s. So you know we got the military black 4s last year. So we're gonna bring back the original colorway that this was inspired from, which is the military blues. Those are coming back out. You also have white Thunder 4s. So we had Red Thunders, we had the original Thunder 4s, and then now we're gonna get a white Thunder 4. So literally the exact same color block in suede. Nothing's being changed. It's gonna be the same thing. That's gonna be a pretty good shoe coming out later on this year. I've seen 2-3 different Travis Scott Jordan 1 lows possibly coming out this year. So we got that to look forward to. We have the black toe Jordan 1 reimagines. Then we have the black cement 3 reimagines. I've heard and seen pictures of them being a complete suede. So the uppers was leather, but they're going to turn them into a all suede upper black cement 3. That might be one for the books for sure, because a lot of people's grills are the black cement 3s. We have Fear Jordan 4s. That's like a nice colorway from what, 2015, I want to say. Black toe 14s are coming out, and then they have women's Bred 11s that's going to be all velvet. Bunch of sneakers coming out this year, bunch of things to look out for. So you know, I'm gonna do my best to try to get as many pairs, do coverage on them, drop more videos like this. So if you haven't already, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. I also drop other videos on the channel, vlog style, going on vacations, things like that. So if you're interested, also stick around for that as well. But I mean, outside of that, Bred 4s, how we feeling about them? Did you grab them today? Did you take a W on sneakers? Did you take a L? Did you have to pay resale? Let me know in the comment section below. But outside of that, like I said, we in and out today. I'm gonna let y'all go about y'all business and enjoy this 3-day weekend because of President's Day. Shout out to President's Day. And then yeah, it's your boy Moody. I'm checking in, checking out, and I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Appreciate y'all for watching all the way to the end. We're gonna see you in the next one. I'm gone.